Today's Wednesday, January the 7th, and we're leaving today from Port Fairy to go to King Island. A distance of around about 140 nautical miles. It's about 105 to the bottom of King Island, but then we're going to make our way up the east coast to Grassy, which sort of sits up on the top quarter of King Island. Weather's all good, winds are relatively light, we get a little bit of 20 to 25 perhaps in the early hours of tomorrow morning. So the passage will take about around 28 hours. So we'll be there for about just before midday tomorrow, if all goes well. So we've just got to get a little bit of fuel before we leave Port Fairy, and then we'll be on our way.